Cookout! We're going to make a macaroni and cheese pie. Cheese pie. Let's crack on. Oakley dokley. So I want a pie that is about 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So these were a bit short. So I'm going to put one on top of the other. And I'm going to put a little bit of butter on there just to make sure when I make the pie, the pastry doesn't stick. Grease this real good. So I've got some bought puff pastry, which I've rolled out. I'm going to cut around the outside of the circle, just so there's a little bit of overlap on the inside when I put it into the pie thing. Okay, so let's work out how much I need. There's a little bit of a line thing in there. This is like science. This is like the most maths I've used since I left school. Okay, so to there. And then we know we need it to be twice the width. So I think we're looking around about like that. Now I used a very basic way of working out how much pastry for the sides. Mathematicians would have probably measured the diameter and then times it by 3.1, something like that. But I think that would have been too much pie for this recipe. Hey, see what I did there? Yeah. I know. So let's do the sides first. I'm just going to put the pastry bottom on there. Just push it into the sides. Put the other one on top. I'm going to bake these blind, so I'm going to put some greaseproof paper in there, and then some. Well, I've got some of these bean things, and we'll put that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Let's pop them in the oven. Okay, we're going to make a real easy cheese sauce. So I've got 15 grams of butter in there, and I'm going to melt it, and I'm going to add my 15 grams of flour. Let's crack on. I'm adding some milk a little bit at a time, just so I don't get any lumps. So I haven't used all of the milk, because I think that's looking okay now, and I'm going to add the cheese. Okay, and we can just leave that to one side just to cool. So there is actually two cheesy sauces. The sauce over there that I've just cooked is that one there is one that we're going to put on the top of the pie. And the one I'm going to do now is the sauce that we are going to cook mixed in with the macaroni. That's the words I'm trying to say. So we want 150 ml of double cream. And we're going to bring this cream to the boil. So I'm going to put in my Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to add a healthy tablespoon of creme fraiche. And then we can leave this to one side as well when we're ready. So I was talking yesterday to someone at work, and we were agreeing about why wine pairing is such a cool thing. And that's why for this one, I'm going to pick a Vinho Verde. It's green wine from Portugal. And usually it's only 9% proof, but this one's 11. I call that a win-win. Okay, we'll let these cool down, and then we'll take out the beans and I'm going to put them in again for about another 5 minutes, okay? Okay, and now we just cook up our macaroni, however the packet tells you to cook it up for. I couldn't get fresh artichokes, so I got these ones out of a jar. So I've just got the artichokes and the mushrooms frying away. The pie cases have turned out really, really good. So let's go to the next phase. I've got my Mornay cheese on the go here. I've got my Parmesan cheese on the go here. And we're still putting some heat through the mushrooms and the artichokes. I'm now going to put the macaroni into here and get some heat going through that. Let's put our Parmesan sauce through here. Okay, so we've got our cheese sauce that we made there. I am just going to put 1 spoonful of cream in there. Yep, I know I made a bit of a mess of that, but that's okay. And I'm also going to put 1 egg yolk in there. Come on there, egg yolk. Okay, and now we assemble these things. So let's make sure that we've got a nice amount of mushroom and our artichoke in there. Our second cheesy sauce, I'm going to pop this on the top, and then we're going to put this under the grill.